bouquet of the Honourable Prime Minister has arrived. It's a bright, clear day, befitting the occasion of the 72nd Republic Day Parade of the nation.
जन जन में आभार की भावना माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के लिए अटूट विश्वास का प्रतीक बन गए हैं। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, हर हृदय में देशभक्ति की प्रचंड भावना जगाने वाले माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी पधार चुके हैं। हम हृदय से स्वागत करते हैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है माननीय।
Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi being received by the Defence Minister. The Defence Minister then presents the Chief of Defence Staff, followed by the three service chiefs and the Defence Secretary.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आप भारतीयों की आशा हैं, ऊर्जा है, परम विश्वास है। चुनौती के दौर में भी ये देश पूरी तरह से आश्वस्त है, क्योंकि आप देश को संभाल रहे हैं।
At this point of time, ladies and gentlemen, the President of India, Shri Ram Nath Kovind, will arrive shortly, escorted by 46 bodyguards on magnificent bay and dark bay-coloured mounts. Raised in 1773, the President's bodyguard is the oldest and the senior-most regiment of the Indian Army. On the right of the President's car will be the Commandant of the regiment, Colonel Anup Tiwari, on his Mount Virat, and on the left will be the second-in-command of the regiment, Lieutenant Colonel Shardul Sabiti, on his Charger Vikram. The ceremonial escort is two divisions. Risaldar Major Dilbag Singh astride Ran Vijay, leading the division ahead of the President, and trumpeter on his grey steed Ace is following the President. Following them is Risaldar Lakwinder Singh carrying the regimental colours on round. The rear division is commanded by Risaldar Harpal Singh on Sultan. The guards are riding steeds that are the tallest held by any mounted unit in the country and a minimum of 15.5 hands. These magnificent horses are looked after by 44 Military Veterinary Hospital under the command of Colonel Krishan Atri. The President's bodyguard is unique and distinct amongst all regiments, not only in India but also in the whole world. The personnel of the regiment are handpicked, all of them at least 6 feet tall. The regiment has seen action at Trishul in 1962 in the Western Theatre, in 1965 and in Operation Pavan Sri Lanka in 1988. They've also distinguished themselves on United Nations duties in Somalia, Angola, Sierra Leone and Sudan. A detachment also serves on the Siachen Glacier, the highest and coldest battlefield in the world.
हम हृदय से स्वागत करते हैं माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति महोदय श्री एम वेंकैया नायडू जी का। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है माननीय।
The Vice President of India has arrived, being received by the Prime Minister